So hi guys, this video is regarding our CA Inter Srestha students. Like you may be a subscription student or regular course student, but I'm talking about those who have taken full group with us, either group 1 or group 2. Sir, what about both the groups? I'm not covering this video with respect to both the group students at all. Okay, so both the group students, you please watch at the end of the video. Getting it? Fine. So what is this video is mainly talking about? I am going to explain you what is a comprehensive model that we are going to implement for our Srestha students. Okay, whoever have taken subscription mode of classes or whoever have taken a regular mode of classes. Now, before I proceed further, there is a very important, quotation that you need to remember. Always keep this in mind. Only smart people, they take frequently breaks in order to achieve high amount of efficiency and productivity. Only stupids, they work for long duration uninterruptedly. Especially I believe that I'm a very smart guy because I work very productively with lots of breaks and I achieve maximum results within the shortest time. That only is possible with frequent breaks. I don't believe in long duration, long hours. No, I believe in, I do work long hours. In a day, I work around 12 to 13 hours for sure. But how do I make my day, having all parts of my life, getting it, fun, family, everything. So how to manage your day? That also I'm going to talk about here. Fine. So by the way, what is the objective of doing this video? Why is rest a student especially have to watch this video? Like you all know that we are providing 600 hours of lecture per group. Yes or no? We are providing approximately 600 hours of lecture per group. So you may be a group 1 subscription student or you may be a group 2 subscription student. You may be a group 1 regular student or you may be a group 2 regular student. Again, sir, I'm a both group student. I'm not doing a video about you at all. You please watch at the end of this video. If you're a both group student, please watch at the end of the video. You will understand what is it about both the groups. So first, let me focus on individual group. So if at all you're a student of group 1 or if at all you're a student of group 2, or you are upcoming Srestha student who is planning to take group 1 classes with us or group 2 classes with us, maybe for November examination or maybe for May examination, what you are going to get from us. Number one, you are going to get edition 2022 latest video lectures that are applicable for November exams, even for May exams. Then you're also going to get, more importantly, getting it, schedule and preparation guidelines. A schedule, we made a most productive schedule ever. Very recently we have finalized this, a most productive schedule ever made in the history. Yes, in your CA curriculum you might have came across from so many CA platforms, like you might have seen so many schedules in CA, like CA coaching centers or whatever. This schedule will be the most productive schedule ever you hear. Fine. By the way, what is the objective of this video? Let us once again recap to this. How to watch 600 hours of lectures in 93 days. Sir, why specifically 93 days? Yeah, we all know many students, 90% of the students who choose Srestha, they either register for group 1 subscription model or they either register for group 2 subscription model. Like, what is the subscription model? In a month you will be paying approximately 4130 rupees and you get the classes. Entire group 1 600 hours of recording will be given to you. Yes or no? 1 month. What do you mean by 1 month? 31 days. And now immediately you may have a doubt, sir, within 31 days how can I finish 600 hours, sir? You are giving, that's good, but how can I finish? That's why what you are doing, again you are buying another 31 days again by paying 4130. Again another 31 days you are paying another 4000. Now when you do 2 times purchase of a particular group, suppose you purchase group 1 2 times, third time is free for you. Yes or no? You purchased group 2 2 times, then third time is free. So another 31 days group 1 will give free of cost. So group 1, first one 31 days over. Group 1 again 31 days over. 2 times you purchased using the same phone number. Third time we are giving free. Same way for group 2 also. Yes or no? Which means ideally every student is having access to our classes. Access to, suppose you are a group 1 subscription student, you are actually purchasing it for 93 days without your knowledge. Correct or not? You will purchase first 31 days, another 31 days, third month is free anyhow. So you are getting video lectures access for 93 days of group 1. Suppose if you are a group 2, you are getting for group 2. Correct? Now within this 93 days, how to plan, how to cover 600 hours of video lectures productively. On which day, which subject, which chapter, how much time that I should dedicate. We are giving a very big comprehensive schedule. So now this is the objective. What is the target outcome of this particular video? Suppose you are group 1 subscription student, you are a group 1 subscription student, or you may be a group 2 subscription student. So if you are a group 1 subscription student, you will be taking it for 93 days. Yes or no? 31 days you will buy, another 31 days you will buy. We give anyhow 31 days extra. So which means you are having group 1 lectures for 3 months. Same way, group 2 lectures also you are getting for how many days? 93 days. Now, so group 1 is separate schedule, group 2 is separate schedule. So which means in group 1 you are having day 1 to day 93. Same way in group 2 also you are having day 1 to day 93. Yes or no? Everyone understood? Now, sir, okay sir, group 1 I purchased. What are the subjects in group 1? Paper 1 accounting, paper 2 company law part A, paper 2 company law, sorry, other laws part B, costing, income tax and GST. These are the parts. Now, as per the schedule that I'm going to show you now, don't worry, I don't want to keep you in suspense. So this is the schedule that we are going to give you. First month, you are having 31 days access. Totally for 3 months, how many days you'll get access? How many days you'll be getting access? 93 days. You see the last one? 93 days. Okay. Just a minute. So you're going to get approximately 93 days access. 1 minute. So if you check here, sir, first month I purchased it, sir. Day 1. Which subject I should watch? You see day 1 is repeated 3 times, which means you need to watch 3 subjects. What are they? Paper 1 accounting, then paper 2 part B other laws you need to watch, paper 4 part B GST you need to watch. Sir, okay sir, accounting you said. Which chapter we need to watch? Fundamentals and financial statements of companies. Sir, both the chapters we need to watch at it? No. First watch fundamentals. You finish your fundamentals, then come to financial statements of companies. I'll tell you that, don't worry, please don't confuse. I'll tell you that later very clearly. Now before I enter into the schedule, so like I showed you just now a sample schedule, right? Same schedule is there for group 1 student as well as group 2 student. Both the schedules I'm going to explain you at a glance. And these schedules, sir, where can I find these schedules? You're already watching this video either on the YouTube or in the application. Yes or no? Open Play Store, rest of a CNCMA, there is an application. Open that, log in, main menu will be there, left side top. Inside that study material will be there. Inside that November 22, May 23 CA Inter will be there. Inside that timetable folder will be there. Inside that group 1 timetable, group 2 timetable you will find. Download. That's it. So the schedule which I'm going to show you will be there in that. I hope you understood until now. Now, sir. Okay, sir. What is the outcome of the schedule? What will happen if we follow that schedule? Very simple. If you follow that schedule, by 40th day, 40 day, you will complete entire accounting. Yes. You will complete entire accounting recordings, entire accounting subject of 125 hours approximately, you will complete. By 60th day, by 60th day, I am talking about group 1 students, you will complete company law. You know what? By 29th and 30th day itself, you will be completing other laws. By 29th and 30th day itself, you will be completing GST, which means, 30th day means obviously it will come in which month? First month. Within the first purchase, you will be completing almost other laws and GST. And by purchasing second month, day 40, second month means what? 32nd day to 40th day. Are you getting 31 to 62 actually? By 40th day itself, in the second month, you will complete accounting also. In second month, you will complete company law as well. In the second month, you are going to complete company law. Not only company law, you are also going to complete costing. You see the schedule here, given here. And finally, by 90th day, you will be finishing income tax. You remember, you are having video access for 93 days, not just 90, but I am giving you a schedule for 90 days. Sir, okay, sir, I understand. What about group 2? Very simple. If you follow the schedule that we are giving, by day 30, you are completing advanced accounting. By day 30, you are also completing EIS. And next, by day 47, you are going to complete strategic management. And by day 58, you are going to complete audit subject. And by day 72, you are going to complete economics for finance. And by day 83, financial management. Please, everyone, watch the video till the end. Especially if you are a student of Shrestha, compulsory you need to watch the video till the end. You need to plan. You need to be productive. Sir, okay, sir. All this I understood. So what are the rules that we need to follow? Give me a promise. Give me a promise now. While watching this video, make a promise on yourself that I will follow this schedule correctly. I will follow this schedule correctly given by Ram Harsha sir. Make a promise. I'm telling you, you're going to learn the subject more beautifully, with more breaks, with revision, everything. Like what? Sir, this video is applicable for subscription students, agreed, as well as regular course students. Regular course means group 1 they will buy at a time for 6 months. Whereas subscription means they'll buy 1 month, again second month, third month is free. Ideally speaking, within 3 months, a single group coaching can be completely finished. That's what I showed even you. Even now, just now, I showed you by day 90 how you can complete all the subjects of particular group. Now, sir, per day, how many hours we need to watch? Per day, how many hours you need to watch? 8 hours you need to watch. Now here immediately there is a question. Sir, I'm a working student. I'm an article student. For me, I can't spend 8 hours. No. In such a case, what, sir? I am doing this particular entire schedule exclusively keeping in mind those students who devote full time for coaching. If at all you're a working person, a working professional, or maybe an article assistant, this video may not be useful for you. But I can tell you, by watching this video, you can plan your schedule much more beautifully than without watching this video. So even if you're a working student, in a day, if you can dedicate 4 hours a day, if you are able to dedicate 4 hours a day, you need 6 months time for single group. You need what? 6 months time for single group. But if you're able to dedicate 8 hours every day, I want your 8 hours every day. Sir, all 93 days? No, don't conclude. Don't come to wrong conclusion. Next video, next but I'm going to explain you. 8 hours you give me. Sir, 8 hours, what time, sir? This 8 hours, we will split into 6 parts, sir. We will split into 6 parts. 8 hours means how many minutes actually? 480 minutes. By how many parts? I'm saying 6 parts, which means each part how many? 80 minutes. You see here, 8 hours we will split into 6 parts of 80 to 90 minutes. Your choice. Maybe 70 minutes or maybe up to 90 minutes. Whatever. That is your choice. I'm requesting once again, please watch till the end. Understand how the things work. Sir, what do you mean by 8 hours split into 6 parts? What I believe is, again I'm telling you here, productivity is what most important. Breaks is what most important in order to achieve this productivity. Look, when you're watching a very beautiful movie, wonderful movie, wonderful choreography, wonderful direction, wonderful actress, wonderful performance, even then at 1.5 hours you look for break. Correct or not? Watching movie is such a pleasurable element. In that itself, you are asking for a break at 1.5 hours, means 90th minute. Now tell me, generally we young people, okay, maybe you're younger to me, okay, so fine. So we young people, we can't study more than 1.5 hours. Like, studies are something that we do with lots of pressure rather pleasure. Something like a movie where you're getting lot of pleasure, there itself you're seeking for break at 1.5 hours. Something like pleasureful task, education. Don't you think a break you require at 1.5 hours? Huh. With that ideology, for every 80 minutes of video lectures watching, suppose you started watching video up to 80th minute or 90th minute, you watched one video or two videos, whatever, you watched up to 90 minutes. What you need to do immediately, take a break. Again next part another 80 to 90 minutes. Again next part another 82. Sir, can you give the timetable for this 6 parts also? Which time is good? Or no, I'll give that later. I will tell you how to draft your own day management timetable. Particular day timetable, how to manage that, I will give you guidance in this video. Now, and you know what? I don't want my student to study continuously for days and months. No, you need to study continuously. You need to watch videos. By the way, I'm telling you, this entire video that you're watching now is purely regarding how to watch the lectures, how to finish 600 hours of coaching within 93 days. That is what the objective. Understand first. Now, one day you need to take break for every 4 days. Sir, like what is this every 4 days? Every slot of 4 days means what? Let me show you here. Let me show you. So this is group 1 schedule. If you see here, we have made entire 93 days. We split it. These are the number of days. These are the number of days. Like the document which you have, no, this is the document you got. You see the document, total 93 days. We divided into how many slots? 19. How many slots? 19. You see what each slot is all about. What each slot will have. Slot 1, if you check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sir, what 12 days? No. You see days. Day 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you see slot 1 over at day 4. Again, day 5, you need to take a break. You see here. Day 5, you need to take a break. Just a minute. Day 5, you need to take a break. Complete break. No, you should not touch the phone or laptop. Don't watch video at all. Please take a break. Only 4 days you need to watch. Sir, okay sir, 4 days. Every day how many hours, sir? You see here day 1, right? Day 1, you see 3.5 hours, 1.5 hours, 3. Total 8 hours. So every day if you see, again day 2, 8 hours you need to watch. Day 3, how many hours you need to watch? 8 hours you need to watch. Again day 4, how many hours? 8 hours. Day 5, absolutely you need to take a break. Compulsory you need to take a break. I want you to watch the lecture productively, not with pressure, but with pleasure. I want you to enjoy the lecture that you're watching. Absolutely. More important instruction. Please watch all the lectures that we are providing at standard speed. There are some robotic students. There are some very, very ultra intelligent alien students who are watching classes at 1.25, 1.5, 2 times speed. I bet you watch 1.5 times a particular video and come to me. I'll ask you a question. I will make you fail in that question. But if you watch video at standard speed, what happens, look, when you're watching video lectures, listening is not which is important. Understanding is important. Thought process is important. Your analysis is important. So please watch at standard speed. This entire schedule is made assuming that you are watching a lecture at standard speed. If you watch the lectures at higher speed, what happens? I'll tell you. You listen to the content, but you will not learn the content. What is more important? Why are you purchasing the classes? Why are you watching the classes? To learn, to understand, to analyze. But when you listen at higher speed, what happens? Learning will not happen. Thought process will not develop. Are you getting the point? Emphasis of matter paragraph, you have to report in the audit report. Getting it? The purpose of emphasis of matter paragraph is to bring attention to the matter and in the financial statements, which according to the shareholder will bring higher attention. If I tell you like this, you understand the words, you listen to the words, but you didn't understand. Suppose if I tell you at standard speed, in financial statements there are so many paras, so many pages. Getting it? In that there is something called important point. And that important point, I felt every shareholder should watch. So what should I do? I will highlight it in the audit report. That is called emphasis. Now tell me, at the first version where I spoke very fast, you listen to my words, but you don't understand. In the second version, I spoke at a very normal standard speed. You understand the thing. This will make you learn much more faster way. When you're watching video at higher speed, you're only listening the words, but you're not learning. Your thought process is not developed. Your understanding is not developed. Don't hurry. Don't be hurry in life for everything. Don't be hurry, please. There is something to be followed. Something to be followed. Some rules to be followed. Follow that exactly. If at all we can finish 1 hour class in half an hour, we can finish within half an hour, right? Why do we take 1 hour? Are we stupids? When we give a class duration of 1 hour, we expect you to watch within 1 hour. You are finishing it within half an hour at 2 times the speed. If at all we can do that, we would have done it right. Why do we take up to 1 hour? Fine, anyhow. So again, I'm deviating. Fine. So I hope you understood how to interpret the timetable. I'll come to that later. Okay. Now, so we divide that into entire 93 days into how many slots? 19 slots. You know, for each slot, how many days you will have? 4 days. Only that slot, 4 days you need to study. You see, now in the schedule, example, in the schedule you see, suppose you are a group 2 student. Suppose you are a group 2 student. Slot 1 will have how many? You see here. Slot 1 will have how many? You see, slot 1 will have 4 days. Sir, within this slot 1, you know, which is nothing, which is consisting of 4 days, what I should watch? You are a group 2 student. Paper 5 subject, fundamentals of accounting, introduction to advanced accounting. How many hours you need to watch in that day? Accounting itself, 5.5 hours lecture, you need to watch accounting. Sir, 5.5 hours, how can we at it? No, don't watch at a time. This 5.5 hours split into 4 parts. Split that 5.5 into 4 parts. Sir, but 8 hours, no, you told me totally. Remaining 2.5 hours, please watch Enterprise Information System Automated Business Process chapter. Sir, should we finish this chapter on the same day? No, I'm not asking you to finish. Now I'll show you example group 2. Suppose I'll show you fundamentals of accounting. Getting it? Just a minute. Suppose I'm talking about paper 5. In that paper 5, what is the chapter? Fundamentals of accounting, introduction to accounting. Fundamentals of accounting and introduction to accounting and schedule 3 basics. Let me see whether anything else is covered. That's it. Now you see, if you look at our rest lectures in group 2, you open that. Fundamentals of accounting. If you check fundamentals of accounting, introduction to advanced accounts and schedule 1, schedule 3 classes. They all together 11 hours are the classes. How many hours? 11 hours. Like how many days you need to finish them? Day 1, give 5.5 hours time for accounts. Day 2, give another 5.5 hours to this particular accounting. If you give 5.5 hours on day 1 and day 2, you can finish these 3 chapters. What are they? Fundamentals chapter you will finish, introduction to advanced account you will finish, schedule 1 also you will finish. Sir, in fundamentals of accounting, there are totally 4 videos. Watch in the same order. First video, second video, third video, fourth video. All together. Introduction to advanced accounting, schedule 3 basics, all together 5.5 plus 5.5, 11 hours only will be there. So watch it 1.5 hour like that. I told you, though it is 5.5 hours, please split that 5.5 hours into 4 parts. 5.5 hours means how many minutes? You know, 410 minutes. 5, 6 are 300. Sorry, 330 minutes. 330 minutes, if you split it into 4 parts, each part will be 80 minutes approximately. So, you fundamental chapter you opened. First video, 60 minutes only there. Watch it. Second video, balance 20 minutes. Watch it. Pause. Close the app. Close background. Sit happily for some half an hour. Relax. Again come back. Again come back. Accounts you want to watch. You felt boring. No. Let me not watch accounting. So what you can do, Apo? Then day 1, what is another subject that we have given for you? On day 1, what is that another subject we have given for you if you are a group 2 student? Just a minute. On day 1, what we have given? You see here. Day 1, you are also having automated. Day 1, you are also having this one. What? Yes. So watch 2.5 hours. Split the 2.5 hours into 2 parts, which means this one. Like now, sir, can you give little more detail? Day 1, accounts you need to watch 5.5 hours, and automated environment you need to watch 2.5 hours. Now here, 8 hours you need to watch totally. Each slot, how many minutes? 80 minutes, 2 or 90 minutes. Example, 1.5 hour every slot. Sir, on what times we should watch, sir? I assume you are waking up and getting ready to watch the class by 8 o'clock or 8:30. Okay. Now, morning 8:30 to 10 o'clock, one part 1. Now, again, 10:45 to 12:15 part 2. Again 12:45 to 2 o'clock part 3. Now take lunch break. Take lunch break. Again come back by 4:30. Sir, what? Afternoon, what should I do? After having lunch, take a power nap of 60 minutes. Sleep for 60 minutes. Don't waste time. Don't waste time on social media. Please sleep for 60 minutes. Now again 4:30 to 6 p.m. 1.5 hour slot. Again 6:45 to 8 p.m. Again 1 hour 15 minute slot. Again 8:45 or 8:30. 8:30 to 9:30. Again 1 hour. Then again 10:30 to 11:45. 1 hour 15 minutes. If you total all this, I'll wait here. You pause the video here. Please note this schedule. Note this schedule. Okay. If you follow this schedule, night again 11:30 you go to bed. Morning again get up by 7:30, fresh up and then sit for studies. Watch videos at 8:30 onwards. If you follow this, you can easily finish 8 hours in a day. Easily. Sir, now 8:30 to 10, which subject I will watch? Now I'm taking day 1 example of group 2 advanced, group 2, right? I'm taking day 1 example, right? Accounts you watch. Then 10:45 to this one, EIS you watch. Then this one, again accounts. Again here it is watch, EIS. Again here, accounts. Again here, accounts. Totally 6 parts, right? Though here I gave 7 parts, make it 6 parts. Getting it? Have you understood? Again, please don't ask me in this doubts, ma. Please try to understand. Okay. So I'm trying my level best to make you understand the schedule so accurately. Just a minute. Fine. Now, sir. Okay, sir. So day 1 over, sir. Day 2. Day 2, what we need to study? Same. Introduction to Advanced Accounting, Schedule 3 Basics and Automated Process. Okay. In day 2, same chapter again continued. Same chapter again continued. Suppose I'll show you paper 7A. What is the chapter? Automated Environment. You see, first chapter, Enterprise Information System, first chapter, you will finish within 6 days. If you are watching every day 2.5 hours. If you're watching every day 2.5 hours, first chapter in Information Technology subject, you will finish within 6 days. See, don't interpret too much here. Can I give you a thumb rule to understand the schedule very easily? Very simple. You get this copy right? You trust me, right, that I covered everything? Yes or no? Okay. Suppose today you bought, I'm doing this video on 9th of June 2022. I'm doing this video on 9th of June 2022. So today you bought the classes. Example, tomorrow or maybe later. Who knows? Or you already bought long ago. Now again here there is a doubt for our existing. Sir, I'm an existing student. What should I do? From now onwards at least follow this. From now onwards at least follow this. Please, whatever the day, whatever the subject, whatever the chapter, whatever the duration that we told you, please exactly follow this. If you follow this, I will give you 90% assurance that you will be conceptually strongest ever. And I will give you 90% assurance that any level of exam you can face. Sir, still somewhere we are having little doubt. Okay, fine, sir. Harsha, sir, I understand. Day 1, paper 5 accounting is there. 5.5 hours I need to have my schedule. So total 8 hours I need to divide into 6 parts. Day 2. Again I need to divide the schedule into 6 parts. 1.5 hour each part. So these are the chapters. Day 3. These are the chapters I need to watch. These are the timings. Day 4. Okay, sir, I'll go like this. Now, sir, day 4 over. Day 5. Take break completely. As per the schedule follow. Day 6. Again come back. Paper 5. These are the topics that you need to watch. Day 6. These are the topics you need to watch. Day 7. These are the subjects. These are the topics you need to watch. Very simple. Understood or not? Same way, group 1 schedule. Okay. Day 1. You are having 3 subjects. This is the time on day 1 you need to spend on each subject. Suppose 3.5 hours is there. Divide it into 3 parts. 1.5 hour only. At a stretch you can complete. This is 2 hours. 3 hours. So make it into 2 parts. 1.5. So you can complete in day 1 whatever the target schedule, whatever we are giving. Are you clear? Now you see here, if you observe here, fundamentals of accounting is covered here first time. Again, fundamentals of accounting is covered second time. Fundamentals of accounting is covered again, third time. Again, fundamentals of accounting is covered here. Later it was not covered, which means by day 4, if you follow our schedule, you will complete fundamentals chapter, financial statements of companies. If you are giving every day 3.5 hours, you see, that's how the schedule works. Same way, contract act, you see, contract act will go up to so many, almost up to so many days, because every day you're watching how many? 1.5 hour only. Even here also contract act was there. So contract act, if you start on day 1, you will finish in day 11. If you start on day 1, you will finish in day 11. I hope you're understanding. If you do not understand, if you start the video in between, don't ask me doubt. Again, watch from the beginning. Okay, don't ask questions by watching 10 minutes of the video. Almost till now 30 minutes I did. Another 20 minutes will go around. Most important schedule, please, please, please. Now, if you follow the schedule that we have given, whatever the schedule that we have given, no, if you follow the schedule that right now I provided you, whether group 1 or group 2, you are going to complete paper 1 accounting. Suppose if you're a group 1 student, if you follow the schedule that we gave exactly, every day you're spending 8 hours. Every day you're spending 8 hours divided into 6 parts. And for every 4 days, if we are asking you to take a break of 1 day, and for every 31 days, means what? Every 31 days, suppose you are a subscription student, first month you took subscription, 31 days over, video will stop. Yes or no? Don't immediately buy. Wait for 8 days. Take a break of 8 days. What you need to do within these 8 days? 31 days, you covered so many topics. Yes or no? Please revise all the topics, all that subject, whatever you covered within 31 days. Take 8 days break. Within this 8 days, last 31 days, I took first month subscription. Within 31 days, Harsha sir gave a schedule. On the 31 days, what chapters, lectures I should watch? I gave a schedule. Whatever videos you already watched, that subject is there, no, that material is there, no, please revise for 8 days. Revision completed. Very good. Please be disciplined, maintain discipline here. I am giving you most flexible time. You're already getting break, na? For every 4 days, 1 day break you're getting. What problem for you? Here 8 days break I told, right? Take 10 days gap. First month you bought 31 days. Take 10 days gap. Again 32nd month subscription, after 10 days you take. Now what you should do within this 10 days? 4 days revise, 1 day break. 4 days revise, 1 day break. Again buy subscription for second month. 31 days, follow that. Okay. See, day 93 means the day on which videos are active for you. Example, day 1 to day 31. This is subscription validity video. Now you took again 10 days break. Second month you bought, which means day 32 will start here. Understand? Day 32. The break we will not count. Whatever, like every 4 days you are taking 1 day break, right? That day, whatever break, we will not count. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. What are these days? Only the day that on which you are working. Suppose you purchased subscription classes on 20th June 2022. That is day 1. 21st June, day 2. 22nd June, day 3. 23rd June, day 4. 24th June, holiday, break, I will not count. Day 5 again will count on 25th June. That's how the model works. Like now you see here, for every 31 days means once 1 month subscription over. Take 10 days gap. Within this 10 days, revise whatever you learned within last 31 days. Then again buy second month subscription. Second month subscription you bought. Okay, like what should we do? What should you do? Second month subscription, you see here, second month subscription, 8 days break you need to take. Second month you bought. There again, day 32 will start. Day 31 ends long back. 10 days before. 10 days break I took. Again, day 32 means the second month subscription started. Again, accounting related. Which chapter you need to watch? How many hours you need to watch? We gave here how many hours also. How to split that into how many parts, that also we give, because we cannot give you a concrete timetable, morning 8 to 10, 10 to 11, that I can't give. But if I give you in how many parts, how many hours you need to split your day, I think you can manage your own timetable. Are you getting the point? That's it. So what you need to do from now on every day, what you need to do from now on. Or let me one more thing, let me clear. Now second month if you see, it will complete on 61st day. Now again 8 days break. Third month you will buy on 62nd day or 63rd day. either 61 or 62, something will come one day at plus or minus. Again, you will buy third month. That time you need to watch capital gains. Now you see here, by third month if you see day 62, only one subject is pending, capital gains. If you are a group 1 student, only one subject is pending, that is income tax. Sir, what about remaining 3 hours, sir? Every day 5 hours taxation we are giving. What about remaining? When we say revision video, MCQ, RTP recordings, you need to watch those recordings. Revision videos are available in our YouTube. MCQs are available in our application itself. We are giving you RTP recordings are there in the application, whatever the course you purchased. You see, we have given student choice. In the third month, you take group 1 schedule or you take group 2 schedule. In the third month, for some hours, student choice we wrote. What is student choice? That particular number of hours on that particular day, student can do whatever he wants, but related to academics. You can either watch revision videos, you can either watch MCQ videos, you can either watch RTP recordings, you can either watch paper analysis videos. Our 600 hours per group is inclusive of all this. Inclusive of all this. I hope you are understanding, my dear. Please continue watching. Okay, so for every 31 days you need to take a break of 8 to 10 days. So revision you are completing, yes or no? For every 4 days you are getting 1 day holiday, so you need not worry about weekends, yes or no? Unlike other people, you need not worry. So suppose you want to take break, you want to go for a movie, hey, just 4 days, these 4 days I will study. 5th day anyhow holiday, no? I'll go for movie. You do whatever you want on the break day. I'm not asking you to revise anything because I gave you specific time for revision. So if you follow this schedule, 31 days, within this 31 days, I think you will have 6 days already holidays. Yes or no? For every 4 days, you'll get 1 day holiday. After this, you need to have 10 days break. This is first month of subscription model. 10 days you're taking break within this revision. Again, second month you're buying for another 31 days. Within this also again you're getting break. Again 10 days grab for revision. Third month you're buying for 31 days. By the way, third month is what for what price? Zero price. Okay, in this also you're getting 6 days. Later, revise, go to examination, perform the best and come back. Now again, still some students are having queries. Sir, what about exams, sir? I strictly tell you not to go for exam. Once everything is completed, by the time I say mock test papers will come. By the time what will come? I say mock test papers will come. Two papers they will release. Paper 1, paper 2. Okay. 2 sets they will release. 2 sets they will release for all the 4 subjects in every group. You need to write set 1 and set 2 to both the mock test. Just for practice. And later, somewhere in August month, I will come up with a video on how to write mock test exam, how to do self-evaluation. I will do a proper video. First, put major attention on listening to the classes at standard speed, productively finish them. Then you can think of exams. Focus on one aspect first. Then you can focus on the second aspect. The problem why many fail is they focus on everything, every day. That's the problem. Be clear in whatever you're doing. Be clear, have clarity of thought. So this is regarding the schedule, which subscription students I'm giving. So video lectures we are giving, schedule and preparation we are giving. Subscription model, we are now going to make it comprehensive model. What is that? You will have daily faculty meeting. You'll have weekly monitoring. Sir, for this, are you going to charge anything extra? No, absolutely zero. At free of cost, we are doing this. At free of cost, we are doing this. So, sir, once again, can you tell me what to do exactly? Sir, I'm a slow comer, I'm a slow learner. Can you please repeat what I need to do exactly? Now, simple. What you need to do is, okay, go to the main menu, download this first. First, download this. Okay, group 1 schedule. You're a group 1 student, take download group 1 schedule. You're a group 2 student. Okay, download group 2 schedule. What you need to do? Simple. Took printout of the schedule, took printout of all the materials. See, we are also releasing materials for selling. You can order for books also. You will get delivered the books, all the material sets. Okay, took printout of the books. Okay, now by day 1 subscription class you bought. Wow, now day 1. What are the targets for you? On day 1? Okay, so as per the timetable given by you, sir, I need to focus on paper 5, paper 7A. Paper 5, what chapters you need to study? These are the chapters, okay, on the day 1. Sir, both we need to study at a time? No. First take fundamentals. 4 hours videos are there. So first you need to watch FIFO order, you need to follow. More simply speaking, here the chapters we covered, no, FIFO. First fundamental chapter you need to watch. Inside that there are many videos. In which order? FIFO order. First. Okay, first video first, second video second, third video third. Fundamentals over. Then come to financial statements of companies. Sir, within 5.5 hours I finished fundamentals, sir. Fundamentals are 4.5 hours video only, sir. Finished. 4.5 hours finished. 1 hour. Go and read Introduction to Advanced Accounting. I hope you got. Sir, 5.5 hours I spent on accounting, sir. Yes, you told me to spend 2.5 hours. Okay, sir, I will spend. Now, totally 8 hours are there. No. For 8 hours in your day, whatever is flexible timing for you, 8 hours, you split into 6 parts of 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes, 1.5, 1.5. 2 1.5 hours, 4 1 hour 15 minutes, 4 1 hour 15 minutes, 2 1.5 hours. So have six parts in your day according to your convenience. Watch, first part accounting I'll watch, second part EAS I'll watch, third part again accounting, fourth part again EAS, fifth, sixth part accounting. Here for day one respect. See here, every day you will have a timetable. Every day you have to make a timetable. Day one you have a timetable. Day two you should have a timetable. Day three you should have a timetable. Day four you should have a timetable. Generally, first month whatever you're doing will be a similar timetable. Second month you will have a different timetable. Third month you'll have a different timetable. So through this schedule, I'm giving you 4 days, 1 day break. 31 days you are finishing coaching. 10 days gap for revision. Again 31 days. Again 10 days gap for revision. Again 31 days. Finish coaching, revision, mock test, final exam. For your information, we are giving you main lectures, we are giving you MCQs, we are giving you RTP recordings, we are giving you paper analysis videos, we are even giving you suggested answers. We are only giving you revision videos, and we are only guiding you how to write mock test paper and how to evaluate on your own. Sir, what about test series, sir? I hate test series. I hate test series. Test series is not at all a good way of learning at all. If at all you are having real powerful conceptual knowledge, that is what the main reason for your success in examination. Some of you might be repeaters. You wrote recently exam, right? When you're writing the paper, suddenly your pen stopped. Why? Is it because your hand paining? Is it because you don't have writing practice? No. The problem is you're unable to remember. You're unable to understand. Why? Not having conceptual clarity. Why? Not listening to the classes properly. Why? Not listening to right faculty classes. Many reasons. You trusted us, Shrestha. Follow what we tell you. I will assure you 90% success. This much hard work we are doing behind to give you a beautiful schedule, so that you will not deviate from any other things. And I hope every Shrestha student of group 1 and group 2 will follow the schedule. Now again you have a query. Sir, I'm a regular student, sir. 6 months I took. What should I do? What, 6 months you're going to watch? Watch within 3 months, man. Though I said 3 months, every time 10 days break is then a 120-day schedule. Literally speaking, this is 120-day schedule. Yes or no? Whether you're regular or subscription, everybody should follow this. If at all you are taking entire group with Shrestha. Very simple. If at all you're taking classes with Shrestha for a particular group, surrender to whatever we are telling you. Surrender to whatever the schedule that we are giving you. I'm not asking you to work hours together in a day. I'm not asking you to continuously watch for 10-15 days. I'm not asking you to continuously watch for 3-4 months. See, adequate breaks are given. Every day, adequate breaks are given in a particular day. More than this flexibility, will anybody else give a schedule like this? To give this kind of schedule, lots of brainstorming happened. I struggled a lot to give this kind of schedule. Did lots of work on this. Ultimately bringing you most productive schedule, because I believe in productivity. I don't believe in hard work. I believe in smart work. Smart work means nothing but what doing things productively with proper breaks, and that is what smart work means. Smart work means not smart people. The way they work is smart. Now again, finally, sir, I'm a both groups of students, sir. Both groups of student, especially subscription or regular both groups means 12 months you'll have. First 3 months focus group 1. Next 3 months focus group 2. That's it. No other option. Sir, I'm a both group subscription. Within 3 months, how to finish 1200 hours? You need to go to Mars. If you're asking me how to finish 1200 hours within 3 months lecture, you should not live in the earth. You should live in Mars. Getting it? So both the group subscription model, we don't want to sell it all first of all. But there are some students who are asking, sir, I want in group 1 2 subjects, I want in group 2 2 subjects, sir. So for that purpose, I want both groups model. For you, schedule is yours. After watching this video, if you understand how to plan your schedule, plan accordingly. For both the group subscription model, we don't encourage at all. If you take both the group subscription model, take it for 6 months. 6 months you take both the groups. 3 months follow group 1 schedule, 3 months follow group 2 schedule. That's it. Don't think I'm angry. Okay. I want you to achieve the result. I want you to successfully watch the video lectures, finish the video lectures with utmost convenience. I want you to read productively, listen to the classes productively, reproduce everything productively in the examination, and come out with flying colors. If you pass, you will suggest another 100 students on behalf of Shrestha, and that's what I want. So daily faculty meeting, weekly monitoring. Sir, what about them? I'll come up with a video later about that. Okay. So for now, this is the timetable instructions that you need to follow. Before you buy, if you watch this video, you are blessed. After you buy, if you watch this video, implement it from the day on which you bought. Implement it. Suppose you purchased 10 days back, which means day 11. Follow day 11 schedule directly. Follow day 11 schedule directly. At least from day 11, be consistent. Whatever 10 days syllabus is there, no, have some time to watch them later. So I clarified about existing students. I clarified about both the group student. I clarified about regular course student and subscription student newly, whoever is going to join or whoever is planning to join with us, surrender to us for that particular group. It is my responsibility. It is my assurance. 90% I will assure you, you will definitely clear with flying colors if you follow this schedule. Where we have given breaks, where we have given revision period, where we have given all this. July onwards, July 1st onwards, whoever is watching this video, try to buy classes from July, August, September, October. 4 months you're having. Exactly the schedule is also for 4 months, including revision exams, mock test papers. Sorry, including revision classes, main learning, main lectures, and mock test. November month, go and write happily. If you're a group 2 student, you're having another 15 days extra in November month. I hope you love this video. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice time.